The 2012 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, Bluetooth, cruise control, fog lamps, passenger airbag, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.